All right, today we're going to unbox our new axe throw that we got from Rocket Bounce. The box, we ordered this back in November at the IAPA show, so it has taken a little longer than we expected, but with the supply chain situation going on, we kind of figured that it would be along the same lines. The box came in a little beat up, so I'm kind of concerned about that, but we're gonna take a look at it and then see how it turned out and give you guys a look. You can see it came wrapped up pretty small. This is a single lane. Now the axe throws are not anything that are new. I get that, and I've got, you know, my reasoning for waiting as long as I did to get one, but it just kind of got to the point to where I needed to get one, and that the dual lane seemed a bit much for us, so we got the single lane. I like the axes on this one because they're the round type, a lot like eye candies, but a little smaller, and they seem to, you know, to work a little better than the ones that use the edge Velcro. It just seems a little more difficult. So, all right, as you can see, it doesn't come with real straps. They just used a stitch of vinyl there to wrap it up. It wraps up pretty small, but you know, it's a small unit, so it's probably not going to be the biggest situation anyway. But there's some real straps would have been nice. I'm not real happy with that. The colors, just kind of looking at them, they're pretty vibrant. They look good, and the axes are kind of stuffed in there. So we'll get it pulled out and get a look at it. All right, the axes again came inside them. Again, a little small. Not too good on my side. Game's not too bad. It's fine. I just not really good at axe throw apparently. Some of the other features that I like the Velcro stick pad here. You can kind of stick all your axes there for later use. All right, a couple guys come from the park, came by and they want to give it a whirl. So, ho ho! Look at that! Oh.
I got you though, Justin.
Look at there. That's not bad. Y'all did a lot better than I did.
Hey, that's not me, no.
Not bad at all. All right, my friends from the park came by. As you saw, they played. And they were really impressed with the gameplay. They did very well. And the guy made a kind of interesting statement, and that was that this would rent, and that this was better than cornhole. Something that you guys can keep in mind, that this could replace the traditional cornhole. It's school safe and friendly for any environment where you couldn't take a regular axe throw or something like that. So yeah, good. I will say that it probably needs to be supervised. I wouldn't leave it at a school with a bunch of kids, because you're going to wind up losing all your axes. So anyway, that's the unboxing of our new axe throw. We're going to add it to our equipment and push it out there. I've already got a couple folks that are lined up to rent it, so be looking forward in some future videos. And hey guys, if you guys enjoy these videos, let me know with a thumbs up, and subscribe so I can keep sharing and keep bringing them to you. Thanks again.